Here's Lydia, a veterinary technology student who started her OTC journey while still in high school through dual enrollment. From caring for a wide range of animals to joining the student chapter of the National Association of Veterinary Technicians in America, Lydia is gaining hands-on experience that goes far beyond the textbook. Lydia, the floor is yours.
Thanks, Alex. Hello, everybody. I've been around animals since I was young, and I always knew I wanted to work with them somehow. When I started horseback riding, my love for animals only grew, beyond your normal cats and dogs. All of this has led me to the Veterinary Technology program here at OTC. I started taking classes at Ogeechee Technical College while I was a senior in high school, and it has helped me grow to where I am now. The dual enrollment program is easy to navigate, and signing up for classes couldn't be easier. This allowed me to get an early start on classes I needed to get my certificate. A big part of veterinary technology is not only learning a wide spectrum of species and the care of each one, but also learning how to work with others as a team, both in the classroom and with the animals. Best of all with veterinary technology is the hands-on experience you get. Not everything you can learn is in your textbook. Some of it you have to actually see and do. The professors make learning fun and enjoyable, and I haven't had a dull moment since starting. There's a variety of clubs here for students to be a part of. I belong to the student chapter of the National Association of Veterinary Technicians in America Club. It's a chance for us to engage with the community and have a voice in the vet tech profession. We get to go on special lectures, trips, and other fun stuff, all regarding animals. Ogeechee Tech gives you a little sauce of everything, hands-on experience, faculty to help you navigate your profession, and peers who will stick with you and help you through your program. That's it from me. Thank you, and back to you, Alex.
Lydia, your passion for animal care shines in every moment of your journey. From early dual enrollment classes to club activities and hands-on training, you're building skills that will make a difference in the veterinary field. We can't wait to see where your journey takes you and the animals lucky enough to meet you. Thanks again for sharing your story.